Good morning guys, I'm Andre with ARDMOR Windows Doors and I'm here with Mr. Ketav. I just want to ask Mr. Ketav how everything went and if he's happy or not with us.
So Andre, thank you very much for all your help during the project. I called ARDMOR Window on, I believe back in March or April to start the process like to changing the window. He came next day to meet me and surprisingly he spent 3 hours here explaining me each detail and like what are options available in the market, like why should we go with that window versus that window, and we finally decided to go with the Oknoplast, and he came with all the samples in his truck as well, so he showed me all the options. We just installed November, we just installed all the windows and now we are really happy. I would say like a couple of points what we consider. First of all, like the insulation is really good insulation with this window, so definitely it's gonna help us with the energy saving, and we see big difference in the noise reduction. Outside noise really reduced after the installing the new window, and definitely I would say look, it really looks good. So I would really say thank you, Andre, for all the help with us and all your teams.